Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most stunning and amazing ideas of crochet cardigans for baby girls and baby boys. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video. Most of the designs are for baby boys and baby girls, but you will also see some designs for baby boys as well. And you can see all of these designs are having very attractive and gorgeous contrasting color schemes, rainbow style color schemes, and you will see some very attractive and elegant looking stunning designs with 3 to 4 color schemes as well. All of these designs are attractive and I hope you're gonna love them all. If you love them, give this video a big thumbs up and watch it till the end as well, because all of the designs are unique and different from each other in their making patterns and in their color schemes as well. So you can take ideas about the color schemes and their making patterns in this video. You can take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make for your baby girl or baby boy, and you can make it by yourself at home if you know crochet work. You can see some sleeveless designs are also included in this video, but most of the designs are with sleeves. So take a screenshot of any specific design in any specific color scheme in which you want to make your own baby cardigan. So give them a try and share your opinion in the comment box if you love them and want more ideas videos like this. However, if you don't know crochet work at all, you can also give them a try by purchasing them online from different websites. Many of the crocheters are providing their products on Amazon or Etsy.com. You can visit these two platforms and you can purchase these products worldwide from Etsy.com or Amazon. So go give them a try. And if you know a little bit of crochet work and you want beginner friendly tutorial videos, then you can also visit my channel for this purpose. One baby cardigan tutorial video is already available on my channel, and I also upload other different crochet baby accessories tutorial videos which are available on my channel. You can watch baby shoes tutorial videos, baby caps, baby headbands, and baby dresses, baby frocks, etc. Many of the videos are already available, and if you are interested in seeing more videos and stuff for babies, just let me know in the comments as well. I will upload videos on your request. So stay connected and share your opinion in the comment box, and also share this video with other crochet lovers or other handmade products lovers in your circle, so that they can also get benefit from these type of latest trends and attractive ideas for wearable accessories of women and kids, and also home decoration ideas which are available on my channel. So stay connected to get them all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Take care. Bye.